Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chad with SprayGunner.com, and today I'm over at Chrome Air Studio with the wonderful Gerald Mendez. Thank you for being here.
My pleasure.
So, you just wrapped up a class. I think it was a pretty good experience for everyone.
I think so. That's what I hear from some of the students. It was a very interesting class, especially because it was a class that has many tips and tricks involved. So, doesn't matter how far you go with a piece of the artwork, but definitely you have the opportunity to learn a lot of stuff.
Absolutely. So what can you tell us about this piece of art right here?
This particular piece of artwork is, well, definitely one of my very favorite pieces because it has so many techniques involved. To start, this is raw aluminum plates. It's made in 4 panels because if I do in 1 panel, it will never go out of my studio.
Yeah.
Since I travel a lot, I'm able to put it together. But this aluminum panel has been prepped. You know, I did a lot of ground metal effects, which means before that I already know with precision where the location of every section or the character, the girl are. So every section has been custom grinding depending on the area. Once I have that, the reflection, the natural reflection of the material will be beautiful. So we take care about the colors using candy colors, which are fully transparent. We're using the Createx Candy 2O with all the additives, which are very, very important. Because I know many artists that get candies, but they are not really familiar with. But in other words, the process is very similar to the solvent-based paint, like House of Colors, like PPG, because you work with a reducer, you work with different additives that make the paint flow and work pretty much in the same system. Okay. So candies on top of ground metal and a lot of detail and a lot of work.
It's very beautiful. I love it. And I do believe this is going to be the next cover for Airbrush Step by Step magazine, which will be at our warehouse within the next couple of weeks. So it's awesome to have you here. Good timing for all of that.
Yes, actually I was so surprised also. We get the cover for the magazine. It's a 15 pages article with around 55 pictures for the whole process. So it becomes a very interesting step by step, and so far I guess will be my favorite, you know.
I'm excited to check that out.
I hope you guys like it.
Oh yeah, I'm excited to see it. And if you don't know, we do carry Airbrush Step by Step magazine at SprayGunner.com all the way from 2011 up till now. And if you go ahead and share this video and follow Spray Gunner and Gerald Mendez on Facebook and Instagram, we're going to do a giveaway. So you'll get all 4 issues of 2019. And thanks for being here, Gerald. We really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Thanks for watching.
I enjoy it.